Hare Krishna, Prabhu. A small clarification. Like you told, Sat Chit Ananda, these are our basic needs. And that is how Maya keep on bewildering us. But we know that God is the source of Sat Chit Ananda. God is the source of Sat Chit Ananda. So and we are His part and parcel. Our position is to serve Him. So my question is, why do we forget that we are servant of Krishna? Our only duty is to become servant. Why we want to become master?
One of the characteristic of Sat is freedom. So your nature is Satchidananda. So one of the qualities of Sat is freedom, free will. So your nature you are exhibiting. I want to be free from Krishna. Yes, you can be free. Krishna doesn't force. Give a try. You are an Amsha. You give a try. A field has been left open for you in the material world. According to laws of karma, you go as you sow, so you seed. Go, I will not interfere. You can be an atheist, you need not remember me, nothing. And then you will get the fruits of your karma. Then the living entity goes on doing like that. After many, many lives, he starts thinking, what is this? Because law of karma has both aspects. It delivers sukha and dukkha. I want only sukha. I want freedom, but I want also only sukha. So now I am seeing I am having freedom, but I am getting sukha and dukkha. Then the question starts. My Swarupa is Sat Chit Ananda. So Ananda I am not getting. Everywhere Ananda is defeated in this material world. And then that is when you start thinking of, there must be, I am in an abnormal situation. I am looking for my Satchitananda in the wrong direction. I am misdirected. My soul instincts are being misdirected. Only if it is directed towards the source of all Satchidananda, Krishna, then I can be happy. It's a constitutional position.